evening. Today I'm cooking Kerala village style chicken roast. The other day I made prawn curry and Maria gave me 8 out of 10. And today she is coming to taste my Kerala chicken roast. Let's see how many marks I get. Wish me luck, guys. So here I have everything to make my Kerala village style chicken roast. I'm using little over 1 kilo of chicken because we get 400-gram packets of frozen chicken. So 3 packets. To cook the chicken I'm using 5 onions because it's more than a kilo of chicken. 4 green chilies, 3 inches of ginger, 30 cloves of garlic. These are the green chilies which we get in Goa and I really like the flavor. 4 sprigs of curry leaves. In spice powders, I have 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin and pepper powder. Generous half teaspoons because we have more than a kilo of chicken. Here are the whole spices to temper the oil: 2 star anise, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cardamoms, 2 bay leaves. And we are using 3 tomatoes to cook our chicken. So now the first step is to make a paste with the ginger, garlic and green chilies, and then we're ready to start cooking. Now I'm going to make a paste of this using as little water as possible. There's my green chili ginger garlic paste, guys. Unfortunately, I used a little too much water, so I added a few more chilies. It's still quite wet, but this is not a deal breaker problem because the water will just cook off in the oil. Come, let's start cooking. I forgot to mention that I'll be using 2 teaspoons of salt. I'll use 1 teaspoon while frying the onions. Then I'll add a teaspoon, and of course I'll taste for salt in the end. After all, it's more than a kilo of chicken. Don't know how it happened, guys, but my camera didn't capture audio for part of the cooking. I'm starting the gas on a high flame. I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I tempered with whole spices. Just briefly cook them, then added the sliced onions. I added salt also so that the onions will fry faster. I just cook the onions till they change color. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I added the green chilies, ginger garlic paste. You can see how much extra water is there. Adding extra water changes the texture of the dish. My chicken won't be as dry and brown as it should. You can avoid this problem by making the masala paste on stone instead of mixie. I'll cook this till all the water is gone and I can hear the sound of sizzling oil again. It took a full 8 minutes. Now that the water cooked off, I added curry leaves. After briefly stirring and cooking, I lowered the heat and added all the masala powders. You have to stir and mix well, making sure the spices don't burn. Fry for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Then add the tomatoes and cook them also till the oil comes out. Now that we can see the oil again, I raised the heat back to full flame and added the chicken. After mixing well, we have to let the chicken cook on high flame for at least 5 minutes. Now the chicken has changed color, so I'll put the flame on sim, cover and cook. I'm adding just a little water, less than half a glass. Adding 1 full teaspoon of salt. I'll cover and cook for exactly 15 minutes, no more than that. After 15 minutes, what we have is a mild tasting curry. But what we want is a chicken roast. So now we have to turn the flame back on full and fry till most of the water evaporates and the chicken masala will tighten up a lot. In this process, the color will also become darker like a roast. It took a full 10 minutes for the water to cook down. I also took out the whole spices while the chicken was cooking down. Now from the color we can see our chicken is ready. Last step is to sprinkle with fresh coriander and serve to the judge.
Okay. Chicken sukka, no? Kerala sukka?
Kerala chicken roast.
Okay. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mic testing. Return the salt. Other everything into very good. Sabas. Good girl.
How many out of 10?
Today 9 on 10.
9 on 10.
Very tasty. Good though, lovely.
Thank you. Jaya, give salt to Maria. I don't want more salt. I eat little less salt in my tea.
No, I don't, Baba.
Thanks for joining us for another recipe, guys. Have a happy summer. Enjoy life. Take care.